Bakure woman, if na Yaoundé woman, una know so when mutumu di pass El Chik et Chondong, it means say time don't reach. Osemo u chakara tori, u blow the tori, pam 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 for una. Countryman, countrywoman, as I talk, I hope so una sleep fine. Yes. Una dena so na the year na una man, the senator, the Bakure man, the Ngi man, the Bamida man, the Kuna man. Machari, Abela, Elela Boamu, Obusi Boam, Afono, Bembenkiri, Amungaka, Mato Ushwana, Levushwano, countryman. Mbolo, don't talk that one. Countryman, countrywoman. The Tory, not Tory, because the Tory day. When we start Chakara Tory, we make a same Chakara for wewe, it go broop, 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 it enter for all man, here. Now, we talk for now about something will happen for that side for Yaoundé. Now, very bad story, oh, countryman, countrywoman. That side for Yaoundé. What happened for Katia when they call us say Ekie? For some hotel when they call us say Chachwa. Mazembe dem enter for day for make bracassation. I say they want make bracassation, countryman, countrywoman, so gardien baby day. That means say they call them for baby grandma say how they call her for France say yes, gardien vigil. They remain a security agent. Na grandma dad. Hey! I won't forget grandma. Grandma enter. Security agent. Now so that Mazembe them, they take knife, they chook him for his skin. Now so that security agent, he died for that side for AK for Yaoundé. Where they can make bracassation. They record them for grandma for Lewase, men of the underworld. Asaloma brother them for Buya. And the one they for Bambili. That the life will not grandma plenty. Countryman, countrywoman. Total insecurity for that side for AK. People way, now they be taken for security. They must see them say, may they put security for that side. I know say different people will talk, say, it is so insecurity, they for all places, so not only for that side for AK. If I say me police them, they multiply vigilance and then they make better inquiry so that they put hand for that Mazembe them way. They can choke that boy for Chacha Hotel for AK for Yaoundé. They kwarai. Countryman, countrywoman, we learn to say what happened for that side for Abakwa. Say so I can't them. They whip some man for before he became a woman. What happened? Now what happen before they take you, they make you like you take for dumb for as man no countryman, countrywoman. So take a rich now, we never get nothing, we come out for no say, nothing the way happen, that the one they say happen, we don't know so take a rich now, countryman, countrywoman. Countryman, countrywoman. We know that man, we now be married that woman, we be the scene. They record that woman, name say wait, countryman, that gospel singer. Where they call his name say Osinachi. Osinachi Massa. As I talk for una so, they don't nagi death sentence for that side for Nigeria. They call her for France, they say condamnation à la mort. Voilà. Condamnation à la mort. They don't give condamnation la mort. Condamnation la mort. For sika weti. The information we gather and say, it be always beat that woman. Nakam. Beat them terribly. It then terrorize it picking them. Man way, you marry woman, you get picking them way, you're supposed to show them love. All your responsibility, now will take care for them for their security. Now you put them inside insecurity. They say for God, one of these Osinachi Imasa picking them, it come talk the team. He say be the big man, so they beat them. When they want to intervene, it beat them to inside, put them, knock them, mark them, match them, knock them. Now so the team pass for that side for Nigeria countryman, countrywoman. As we talk for us so now death sentence. Death sentence when they don't give for Nigeria. The judges then talk say it will be lenient. They be supposed to propose something way he pass that one said because the two way do na very grievous crime. They will enter my skin. Countryman, countrywoman. So the matter where people they take their hand, knock their woman, kill and so it pass people. For Douala, na Malvina. We they so pata. E anti be victim. That means saying Jumba for anti, they recall after concubine or master when have put another way. In Nakam anti sote the Korayam. Now catching the apple so we I want to say au lieu for use una power, go work farm, do thing we go better, do other kind of job them, make up, protect una family, una the inside use una power for begin nak na una woman there with them. Naka sote kill am. Nakam kill am. Now what if it happen so we una the only nak una woman pam. Now what if it happen? When man begin instead of protecting woman and family, in naka sote go kill am. Countryman. That matter too for Francis Ngannou, he go far away. Brap. When I know say Francis Ngannou we make accident. He jam some young girl for that side for Omisport for Yaoundé, where they call it say Brigitte Manuela Nsama. And then if he that as he jump the girl his hand be broke and then his foot be broke. If he stop carry the girl go hospital, say me they do operation. They do operation, nothing happen, the girl he die. As the girl die, so he don't go places, talk them, any kind of thing. All the pressure away, the guy they own now, he bad plenty. But it happen countryman. Our condolences for the family, for the girl, and then we must take care for the drive recklessly, we must take care for the drive anyhow, we must take care too for the big motor them, because the bike the way the big plenty. So we don't see how our family die for the other people they get plenty accident on top. So we just get to be very careful. And then anything the law talk, and the law go talk up. Countryman, countrywoman, we just respect anything law it go talk up. Countryman, countrywoman. Some fight then for social media now. Una must show me una house, show me your house, may I show you my house. So influencer when they call it say Aisha Kamwas. Aisha Kamwas, it attack that girl when they call it say Marlene Mvutu. Una know that girl when they call it say Marlene Mvutu no, where it on the attack Eto'o since. And then at the end of the day, people can discover and he say make some video where they catch him. He say that because say Eto'o don't stop the contract, if he get contract for Fika Food before Eto'o one come, Eto'o don't stop that he contract them. Now the reason that way he attack Eto'o every day because of he contract them. Now the thing happen. So the Aisha Kamwas, that's why influencer, countryman, countrywoman. Aisha Kamwas, he don't write for Facebook. He talk say Marlene Mvutu, see my house why I don't snap her, put up on social media. And the way say, me you too, you snap your house, you put up on social media. You say you be intellectual, fake intellectual, and you say you don't go for school. Okay, you go for school, but me, I get headway, it flop. I get sense plenty past you, he talk say, you go for school. Now Cameroon that for now, countryman, countrywoman. Now tang, you want to play for the one, tang. And then, so all man the way, if they coach Eto'o morning, afternoon, evening. He name that Sam Severe Ango. As I talk for that so countryman, they want to recruit you for Fika Food. He go enter Fika Food now, countrywoman. And then it look like say other people the vacants say, so it means say before you want recruitment, it means say the man must coach you on a her. Or people they coach because they know say when they coach they go look them for recruit them. Now the question that way, plenty of we will ask them and plenty of una they ask them too. Countryman, countrywoman, when they explain you continent, you talk say you don't hear, you don't understand, that means they don't explain that for you fight. Now so that artist we talk say when they explain you Cameroon, and then you talk say you don't understand Cameroon, how will they explain that for you? That means say they don't explain that for you fight. Countryman, countrywoman, I want to say more than yes, more mutubu again. That is the puncher. God is love. After that is the puncher, so we hear God is love. We will come back for here. We'll give you that information. We concern sport. So that's something small time after that music. We'll come back.